Hello everyone, this is NitishMaheshwari and this is a quick demo of LoadRunner online training program. So what you see in front of your screen right now is a quick introduction about myself, what I do. I am an online trainer. I provide trainings in tools like QTP, WindRunner, LoadRunner, Selenium, SoapUI, JMeter and CCNA. So these are my areas of expertise. So I was associated to IT industry for last 8 years, and after working for giants like Oracle, Mercury and McAfee, I have opted online training as well as corporate training as my career. So the purpose of this demo is to show you how my LoadRunner training program works. So what you see in front of you right now is a course curriculum for the online training program that is conducted for LoadRunner. So this is a LoadRunner course content that is open in front of you. So don't confuse this program to be a 3-day program. This program is basically a 16-hour program, and out of the 16-hour programs we will be doing classes on weekends or weekdays depending on yours and mine availability. So first of all, regarding the schedule, so what we do before starting the session, so we try to figure out suitable date and time that is comfortable for you and me and block our calendars for at least 8 sessions. So if you see this 3-day LoadRunner training program, so this is basically a 16 hours training program, and in this training program what we will cover is mentioned in the course curriculum. So if you will be going for the LoadRunner program with me, so what I'll be doing, I'll be first of all sharing this course content with you, and after this course content, then we'll be proceeding for the program. So if you see this course content covers whatever available in LoadRunner, and if you have anything or if you feel anything that something is missed out, so what we do, we try to include that also as a part of the curriculum. So this is a quick introduction about the course. Second, the duration of the program, as discussed earlier also, it is a 16-hour program. Availability and the timings will be on a mutual understanding between you and me. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, now I will be focusing on the LoadRunner training program. So what I have done, I have divided the entire LoadRunner program into 8 big modules. The 3-day course content that you saw just now is divided into 8 big modules, and the purpose of those dividing that 8 big modules is to cover each module in one of the training programs. So now say for example, I taught module 1 and module 2 on Saturday and Sunday. Then for the entire module, I will be giving you lots and lots of exercises to practice. And the purpose of those exercises is to make you very well aware of the concept that we have learned in the program. Now, say for example, we meet for class 3, that is again a coming Saturday. So in the coming Saturday, first of all, we'll be discussing the problem, queries, doubts that you will be having while doing the exercises given in the first and the second training program. Then we'll be discussing first of all those doubts, and then taking the program from class 3 and class 4 onwards. So in terms of LoadRunner, what we need a machine with LoadRunner. So I will be providing you a startup kit. Startup kit contains LoadRunner software and documents and PPTs for LoadRunner. So what you see out here is the latest version that I use right now is 9.5, and this is in front of me open on the system. So what you see out here is LoadRunner is actually divided into 3 programs or 3 modules, and each module, or 3 tools we can say, each module is a separate entity. So if you see the module 1 is create and edit script, this section is called as VUGen, which is known as virtual user generator. So what it does, this module is responsible for automating a manual process. That means anything that is to be automated will be done here through programming. Second module is run load test. Run load test, like we have created a script in module 1, And why we created a script in module 1? So that we can run the load for that particular script. So what we do, we actually move the script from module 1 to module 2 and then run the same script for number of users. So in one line we can say module 2 provides you a mechanism where you can run the same script for multiple users. Now module 2 also does one more interesting thing, is it captures the data, the performance statistics that is used for performance testing, like the kind of metrics that it adds. It measures as hit per second, throughput per second, average response time, etc. and etc. So these are the things that I'll be taking in the program. And now the third module is basically responsible for generating the results into beautiful graphs and pie charts so that you can analyze the data which is collected by module 2. So what you do out here is, we'll be, so 70% of the training focus will be on module 1, because this is the module where you will be doing a little bit of programming and doing everything through automation. So module 1 is called as the virtual user generator, and virtual user generator uses a script or a programming language known as TSL, test script language, which is a Mercury proprietary language. So this TSL is derived from C. So you will see that the syntax of C are very much followed in TSL. So the first thing that we need to do in LoadRunner is go to File, go to New, and after going to New, that LoadRunner will ask you that which application you want to automate, or for which application you want to run your performance test. So right now what we are looking for, because these days what is happening is majority of applications are coming on web. So in this demo, I have taken web HTTP as the protocol and select as create. So now what you see, LoadRunner will configure the new script which is getting generated through libraries, and with these libraries will be for web applications. So what you can say, we can broadly divide LoadRunner in script generation into 4 parts: recording, verification, enhancement, and prepare for load test. What we mean, recording, we'll be doing step by step. Mercury also provides you a sample application. So for this demo, I'm taking that sample application so that you guys can easily see that sample application available to your systems as well. So if you go here, I have started the sample application, and after starting a sample application, I just need to create step 1, that is recording. So in recording, what you need to do, you need to specify the URL on which you want to record. So if you again go to Programs, LoadRunner directory, where it is, LoadRunner sample, and in sample you will see that this is the URL to the sample application. So what is happening in the sample application? Server is up. That's the reason we can see application is up and running. So now all I need to do is put this URL here and click OK. So what happens, as soon as you click OK, LoadRunner will try to open a new instance of the browser, that is Internet Explorer. And why it opens the new instance of the browser? Because whatever operations you are performing right now will be recorded in LoadRunner. So as soon as you click on recording, you will see the event counter getting generated, which means that your LoadRunner is recording the script perfectly all right. So if you have configured LoadRunner correctly, then you will see that event counter getting increasing. What is mean by event counter? That in order to view this page, LoadRunner needs these particular downloadable items to be downloaded from the web server. These items could be images, web scripts, JavaScripts, logos, HTML, etc. and etc. So what you do right now, it's simple. So I'm just clicking stopping the script. Now LoadRunner, what will LoadRunner do? LoadRunner will try to generate script. And what we mean by try to generate script is LoadRunner will convert that script to a LoadRunner script. And if you click on the script view out here, you can see that LoadRunner has generated the script. So if I do a replay of the same script, so if you can see the script getting replayed perfectly all right, which means the script is recorded fine. So what I say here is, these are the recording logs, and in the recording logs there is no red color error message. All the error message are marked in red color. So right now I don't see any red color error message. Okay, so now second step would be taking that script, taking this particular script to the controller script and then analyzing the script, right? So this is what we do in LoadRunner. So the purpose of this small demo is to first of all make everybody, so there are a couple of things what I am looking for when you see this demo and analyze. First of all, the communication, whatever I am speaking, you guys can hear, you guys can understand that or not. And second, how that remote medium of communication is fine with you. So in this, and this demo is created just for an intention that you should have understanding of how online trainings works with me. So in order to collect more information about online trainings about me, so all you can do is just go to Google and just type Selenium training out here, or LoadRunner training, or online SQA training. Click on search. The first link that you see out here is online QA SQA training. So this is a blog where all the information about me can be gathered. So if that, I have also uploaded few small demos out here. So the number of tools that I teach, I have uploaded each demo for each tool and also attached the course content for each tool. So if you guys want to see that what is the course content that I delivered for LoadRunner, so you can just go to this blog, which is online SQA training at blogspot.com, and can see, copy this link in a browser and can open this browser. Okay, thanks a lot for your patience and have a wonderful day. Thank you.